graduates are really well prepared to enter the job market. One of the ways we do that is with an internship program. Lots of those internship experiences turn into employment opportunities at the conclusion of the internship.
Being at Morrisville, there's a lot of connections here. I'd say every week, 2-3 times a week, we get like job opportunities emailed to us, internship opportunities emailed to us, just because this field needs so many people.
For my applied psychology degree, I'm currently interning at Upstate Cerebral Palsy as a residence counselor and a human service aide. So basically, we work with people who might have any type of developmental disabilities, and we implement their goals and their plans of things they wanted to, like goals that they made up for themselves.
This last year, I worked as a calf manager at our home farm, and then next semester, I have to do a 15-week internship, and I just accepted an internship in Ireland.
Being able to stay here 2 summers for an internship has definitely, I've met people who know people out in the industry, and that's really helped me out. Our professors have connections, and so that's really helped me out a ton. And I think, I feel like when I leave here, I don't feel like I'll struggle to find a job.
I chose the Florida Asset program because of the amount of hands-on work you get, as well as the internships. You do your internships during winter and summer breaks, so you do 2 winters and 1 summer.
I did my internship at Krause Community Center. I was able to network through there. I actually had kind of a unique internship. I shadowed every department at Krause Community Center. By shadowing all of the different departments, I was able to kind of figure out what I did want to do, what I didn't want to do. And then from there, I actually got offered a temp position at Krause.
I've been very pleased with the individuals that have come to us as interns and have seen graduates that have applied for positions here.
With my BBA in Ag Business Development, I had to do a 15-week internship, and I went to Nutrient Ag Solutions for 2 months before I went on this internship. And for my 15-week internship, I interned on a dairy farm in New Zealand. Every day we would be having 15, 20 babies born a day, and we would just do everything we needed to do to help them and get them raised up. If I wasn't at Morrisville, I don't think I probably would have gotten the job that I got.